My name is Andrea Kuti. I am in robotics in STEM Professional School. The name of my school is Talent Academy and I'm in General School. So what I have in front of me is a robotic arm that we have been working on, like my fellow teammates are here. So now I want to demonstrate it. These are the joysticks. So we need the joysticks that can use the robotic arm level. So here is a switch so I can turn on and turn off the robotic arm. We need the battery so I can work our robotic arm level. So now this is the brain of the computer of the robotic arm. Without the brain, the robotic arm cannot function well. Let me use a military for example. Without this brake, we cannot walk the robots. So now these are the compact wires. Without the compact wires, the robots will not be able to do what it's meant to do. So now here are some things that the robot has on it. This is a frame so I can walk well. So now this is a cloth I can use to carry things like this wheel I have.
Here in STEM Professional Club, we learn practical programs such as robotics, animation, coding, electronic or IoT, and gaming development. This enhances the child's interest in ICT and gives the child enough information about what they are learning here. Come and join me at Innovative Summer 2023 from 1st to 31st August. Thank you.